I'm going to roll this way. And see what you do. What do you do when I do that? Yeah, you yell at me. You tell me I'm not playing the game right. Okay. Well, it was an experiment. Here you go. Boo! I know. I know. That was pathetic. You could give me something easier to roll. You know, the 3-pound weight, I roll much better. Do you want to, can I get that one? I'm going to get the 3-pounder. I'm going to get the 3-pounder. That one works better. I'm going to use this one, okay? Excellent. Are you ready for this one? Here it comes. Told ya. I'm much better with this one. Are you in a timeout? Bam! Hi, cutie pie. I'm not supposed to be filming that. You want this? I'm not going to throw it back there because this is a screwdriver. I'll bring it to you. Yeah! I love Floofy Bee. Woo! You're a bug. Good roll. Nicely done.